The entrance part of the Mina Dome complex is designed in the shape of the sun's flames, and as soon as visitors pass through the entrance part, they are faced with a gallery of very beautiful images of celestial objects and planets. Looking at the sky and watching the bright stars can definitely be very enjoyable and attractive for everyone. Many people are interested in seeing stars and meteors more closely and with better quality. The Mina Dome in Tehran has provided the conditions for people to travel on the Milky Way and experience exciting moments. This unique architectural work with its blue domed roof, which is known as Mina Dome or Planetarium, is very eye-catching in the water and fire park, and if you cross the natural bridge, you will see this beautiful complex. All in all, this beautiful building has been built in such a professional and principled way that the visitors feel that they have stepped away from the Earth for a moment and that they have taken a trip to the Milky Way, which is very exciting.